Hey guys, welcome to this Blender tutorial. So in this tutorial, we are going to make this sci-fi scene in Blender. So as you can see right here, this is going to be the final result. And if you are interested in downloading this project file, you can do so on my Patreon. If you don't know about the Patreon, you can get access to all my projects. So you can go and check the link. It is down in the description. For this tutorial, I'm going to use the latest version of Blender. So in my case, it is Blender version 2.9. I'm going to select the cube and delete it. I'm going to delete the lamp as well. And we are going to render this in cycles. So change your render engine to cycles. If you have a decent enough GPU, you can change it to the GPU in the device. And we need some add-ons. So I'm going to go under the add-on section. And I'm going to search for the landscape add-on. So just search for the landscape add-on, and as you can see, this add-on comes with Blender. So you just have to enable it. So just enable that, refresh it, and you can close that window. And once the add-on is enabled, you can press Shift A, and under the mesh you will see a new option for the landscape. So just select the landscape. So here we go, we have a cool mountain here. You can select whatever preset you like. So as you can see, I like this, so I'm just going to select this. And we get a cool terrain. Now there are a lot of options that you can fine tune in this menu. But I'm just going to change the subdivisions to 256. So we get a higher resolution terrain. You can also add a subdivision surface to it. So now I'm going to position my camera. So pick a decent view in your viewport. So I'm just gonna pick a decent perspective, and you can press your Ctrl Alt number pad 0. The shortcut just snaps the camera to the viewport position. Now further, you can go under the view menu and you can turn on lock camera to view, and you can position your camera. You can also go under the camera settings and change the focal length. So just go under the camera settings and reduce the perspective to get a wide angle shot. And if I go in my render view, as you can see, we don't have any lighting. And in this tutorial, we are going to use a new lighting feature that Blender 2.9 provides. And that is the new Nishita sky system. So you can just go under the world settings and change it to a sky texture. And as you can see, there is a new option in Blender 2.9. And that is a Nishita sky system, and this is very powerful. As you can see, you have the settings for air, dust, and the ozone levels. So just change these settings until you get something that you like. It's time to add the volumetric fog. So Shift A, add a cube, and this cube will contain the volumetric fog. So make sure that everything should fit in this cube. So just scale it up. Now you can split your window and change it to the shader editor. Select the cube, add a new material. You can select the principal shader and delete the principal shader. And we are going to add something called as a principal volume shader. So Shift A, under the shader, we'll add a principal volume. And make sure that the principal volume is connected into the volume socket of the material output. So don't connect it into the surface, connect it into the volume. And as you can see, just like that, we get some cool fog in Blender. Here I'm just changing the settings in the volume shader. And I'm just changing the settings in the sky texture. So I'm just going back and forth and changing these settings until I get something that I like. And now we are starting to get something that looks good. That looks like a planet atmosphere. And by changing the mountain color to black, a mountain stands out quite clearly. So we have that landscape effect. So at this point, you can add whatever object that you like. But for this tutorial, I'm going to use a free spaceship model. So to get the spaceship model, go under the add-on section. And you need to enable an add-on called the Blender Kit add-on. Enable that, and you can close this window. Now you will see a new option up there. And by using the Blender Kit add-on, you can get some free assets. So as you can see, you can search for models and materials. So I'm just going to search in the models, and I'm just going to search for a craft. So as you can see, I'm going to use this Gemini Light craft. And as you can see, our spaceship is in our scene. And this spaceship already contains all the materials and stuff, so we don't need to add the materials. And as you can see, the model really looks quite good. Now I decided to add some buildings in the background. So Shift A, I'll add a landscape again. Now you can add your own buildings, of course, but I'm going to use this landscape add-on to demonstrate that. So I'm going to select the techno cell effect. I'm going to add the mountain material to this landscape. And you can rotate it, scale it, and move it behind and create a skyline effect. So we have some background, foreground, and a focus object. Now you can totally expand on this, but these were the basics. And I hope you like this tutorial. So if you like this tutorial, leave a like down below, it helps a lot. And if you want to download the project file, you can do so on my Patreon. And yeah, that's it. I'll see you in the next video.